For our fourth pack, we have 100 Acre Wood, Mad Hatter's Teapot again, Prepare to Board, Gold Coin, Ben. I like that robot. I'm so glad that they put Treasure Planet into this set. Mr. Arrow, Rescue Rangers on the way, or Rescue Rangers Away, Diablo, Myrtle Edmonds, Hiram Flavorsham, Yzma, and Simba for the holofoil. Oh, I forgot she's a legendary. I should have been paying attention to that. Oh, that's another one. We're getting all the legendaries. And then Simba, Happy-Go-Lucky for the holofoil. Chip! And then Fairy Ship, Fred, Lead the Way, Nick Wilde, the Galactic Council, David. Hey, I didn't know he was in this one. Nice. Pixie Dust, Bellwether, and for the first rare, we have a super rare in Minnie Mouse Pirate Lookout. And after that, we have a legendary in Bayamax. Yes. Oh, I got 4 legendaries from this so far. Still haven't seen the full art that I'm looking for, though. So let's see what the holofoil is. And it is a rare Jasmine Royal Seafarer. Very nice.